Hello there, welcome to SAS TV. In this video, we are going to show you the easiest way to file an ITR in just 5 minutes. Those who already file ITR using the government website know how painful it can be to file an ITR manually. So we are going to show you a different way to file it. You need to have a Form 16 for this process, and that is why we recommend you to please proceed further only if you have a Form 16 handy with you. One small request, if this way works out for you, which it definitely will, I request you to please like this video and drop a comment so that other viewers can understand this is an authentic video. Alright, let's get started now. Open a new tab and search for cleartax.in. This website provides you free services like filing ITR, tax saving under Section 80C and many more. I personally like this website and have been filing my ITR since the last 3 years. So let's log in into this website. If you don't have an account, please register yourself first. Once you come into the home page, you will see an option for income tax filing. Click on that and it will send you to this place. I had already uploaded my Form 16 and that's why it's asking me to continue with the previous one. So let me show how the user interface looks like before uploading. You need to upload the Form 16 in the highlighted box here. And now click on proceed. This will read the contents of the Form 16 and show the details like your name, employer's name, taxable income, gross total income and many more. Now click on proceed to e-filing. This page will show you around 5 tabs having all the details related to your e-file. I have already checked the information for my case. Request you to please check yours as well. So the first tab will have your personal information and address. The next tab is income sources. The first sub-tab shows your salary related information like employer details and salary. The next sub-tab shows incomes from other sources like interest from saving account or fixed deposits. The next sub-tab shows income from house property. The next one is capital gain. If you have any shares, house, properties sold in the mentioned financial year, you have to mention it here. And the last tab has details related to business and profession. Alright, going to the next tab, deductions. If you have any deductions mentioned under section 80, it will show up here in either of these tabs. The next tab is taxes paid. If you have paid or collected any taxes at source, it should show up in the first sub-tab. If you have paid any tax yourself and would like to add an entry, you need to click on this button. Finally, click on tax filing. If you have any taxes to be paid or collected, it will show up here. Since I have no taxes due, it is showing me this for my case. This page will show an overview of all the information we just checked in the other tabs. Personal information like name, date of birth, PAN. It will also show a summary related to your income, deduction and taxes. ClearTax automatically selects the best resume for you. If you want to change it, you need to click on this button. You can also download the detailed report created by ClearTax. Once you are ready, click on proceed to next steps. Since the APIs are not ready from the IT department, we have to download the IT return JSON file and upload it in the income tax official website. Click on this button and download the JSON file. Now come back to the official website and log in. Once you come to the home page, you'll see an option for File Now here. Click on this button. Select the assessment year as the current year. For mode of filing, click on Offline. Select the filing type as original return. Select ITR type as ITR 1. Now click on Continue. This will redirect you to this section where you need to upload the JSON file. Click on this button and upload the JSON file you have downloaded. This will validate your return. Once the validation is successful, click on Proceed to verification. Select the first option, E-Verify, and click on Continue. You will get multiple options to verify. Select the first one if you would like to verify using OTP on Aadhaar registered mobile number. Now click on Continue. Select the checkbox and click on Generate Aadhaar OTP. Provide the OTP you received in your phone and click on Validate. Finally, click on Submit. And done. We have successfully filed and verified our income tax return. Download the return or acknowledgement by clicking on these two buttons. Now, if you check the dashboard after you have received an SMS or email from the admin team, you should be able to see the processing status here. And if you want to view the file return, click on e-file, income tax returns, view file returns, and you should be able to see the file return here. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to support us, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.